Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial. So today we will learn another eye makeup with me. I will teach you the purple type of eye makeup from the shade Brinzel, and we will do the half cut crease. You can reverse the video to see the color I have taken for the transition shade, and with the help of big blending brush blending it over the eyelid and taking the another one shade. You can see the brinzel one, applying it towards the outer edges of the eye in the form of V or in inward direction with the help of flat applicator brush. You can see in the video. And with the help of blending brush, going to blend it. In circular movement, and hold your brush as far as you can. अपने ब्रश को दूर से पकड़ें. जितना दूर से पकड़ोगे will get the natural effect. एंड बहुत प्यार से और आराम से मूव करो ब्रश को. बी हम्बल विद योर ब्रशेस. Always taken care of your brush. They will take care of your eye makeup. And blending it over the crease line. We will create the deepness over the crease line and the outer edges because we need to pop out the cut. So your cut will pop out when you darken the crease line of the eyelid from the eyeshadow. Now with the help of smudge brush, taking the mauve shade, you can see from the palette pretty all set you can be, and little touch of darkest brown color, depositing it over the crease line or the outer edges to give the more depthness. With the help of blending brush, going to blend it. You can see. Rotate your brush in the circular movement. You can see how naturally the color came out. And for the cut, I have used Forever 52K concealer with the shade number C0V001. Here you can take it in your palette. Now taking the concealer brush from the brand Proarte, making a guideline. Tell the client to see the terrace. Here is the guideline. Now making a cut. Be, be very much careful when you apply the cut. Take in the mini beauty blender. Now deposit the transition shade for locking. Take in the same color and blur out the crease line. Making it as natural as I can. Applying the pressed white glitter eyeshadow from the palette UCANBE. You can see. Blur out the lines. Applying the metallic silver glitter, liquid glitter from the brand Charmwork Beauty. It gives you very natural glittery effect over the inner corner of the eye. As you can see, using the pearl powder in the shade of white. Again, blur out the lines. Now moving on, next step we have to apply the liner, and for this I have taken Krylon ka cake liner and with the help of rose water activating it or applying it over the eyelid, making a wing. Now tell the client to open the eye and draw a straight line. connecting it. Now we'll show you the final look after lashes. You can see. Now moving on, next applying the gel liner to the lower lash line. The liner I am using for our 52K gel liner with shade number GT001, the darkest black color. You can see applying it with the help of liner brush. And moving on, next taken the smudge brush with the same eyeshadow. You can see smudging the under eye in such a way. Moving on, next step we have to apply the mascara. Applying some glitter to the inner corner of the eye. Now applying the mascara from the brand Maybelline Colossal to the lower lash line of the eye. And here is the final look in front of you. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet in next